Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of Goodbudget, a super handy app that helps you take control of your finances using the classic envelope budgeting system. If you're new to this, envelopes are basically digital categories where you allocate your money for different expenses, like groceries or entertainment, to avoid overspending. It's a game changer for anyone looking to budget smarter. Let's get started with how to create your first envelope. First things first, make sure you have the Goodbudget app installed on your phone or computer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the Envelopes tab. It's usually right at the top or in the menu. Tap or click on it to enter the Envelopes section. Now, here's where the magic happens. Hit the Add Envelope button, which might say Create New or something similar. Next, give your envelope a clear, descriptive name. For example, if you're budgeting for food, call it groceries or dining out. This makes it easy to track later. Then, decide on the amount you want to allocate to this envelope. Think about your monthly spending habits. Be realistic to set yourself up for success. You can also add a category if needed, like linking it to your overall budget categories for better organization. After that, save your envelope, and voila, it's now part of your budgeting system. You can always edit it later if your needs change. One tip: start with a few key envelopes rather than overwhelming yourself with too many at once. This way, you can monitor your progress without getting stressed. Using envelopes in Goodbudget not only helps you stick to your budget but also gives you that satisfying visual of your money being allocated properly. If you're just starting out, try this with 1 or 2 categories and build from there. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's make budgeting fun and effective together. See you in the next video.